Hi, I'm Sam Kirkpatrick. I'm the Senior Product Manager for AIMS. We're here at the ANCA CNC Machines booth, and I'm going to walk you through our digital work instruction and job management solution called AIMS Connect. So with AIMS, which stands for ANCA's Integrated Manufacturing Solution, what we're trying to do is provide an automated smart factory solution that helps integrate your machines tighter with your factory systems like ERP, MES, and PDM up here, running through a middleware layer called AIMS Server. This is linking all of your job order information down to the connected pieces of machines. So you're getting tighter integration between your ERP and MES systems and the connected machinery that helps you run through the full process end to end for cutting tool manufacture. The variant AIMS Connect is still manual material transfer from machine to machine, but we can go all the way up to full autonomous production with our AutoFetch AMR-based material transfer solution. One particular part of AIMS that's extremely important is our world-leading AutoComp technology, which allows you to do closed-loop compensation with measurement results from a Zoller measurement and tool inspection machine. And that means that your batches are kept in tolerance and your compensation is always applied the same way, regardless of who's executing it, an operator or an AMR in the fully autonomous AIMS version. So it's a solution for everyone. Runs through low investment with AIMS Connect, which works with existing machines, very low new hardware requirements, or we can go full-blown autonomous production where we're running newer machines, newer loaders, but the full AMR automation. But one important thing to note is that whether you're using the full automation package or you're using AIMS Connect, all your centrally stored workflows are compatible and all the same features are available at the AIMS server layer. It's just whatever solution meets your needs, whether you're looking at worker guidance and digital work instructions through AIMS Connect or full lights-out manufacturing using the AutoFetch and AMR technology. So what we'll do here is we'll show kicking off a workflow with AIMS Connect. Right here you can see that you've got your job data synchronized from your ERP system here. We'll go ahead and submit this. It's asking us to scan the pallet. We've got a pallet in the machine, so we'll just go ahead. And then you can see it's recognizing the schedule right here. We've got 3 tools. In reality, I'd open the door and I'd load the tools here, but you can see they're preloaded. And then you can see once we've submitted it, we're actually getting a digital work instructor guiding us what to do. It's showing us the pallet ID, the associated work request, which is associated with the job order. We then go to the machine. We scan where that pallet is physically located. So this is linking all of that job information to this physical station. And again, it's just a hit with a barcode. Then we go over, we show where we want these tools to be unloaded after they're processed. Again, scan a station ID and then the unload pallet ID. So again, in reality, these barcodes would be physically located on the pallets themselves, but for trade shows, we just have them here for ease. All right, so now we can see that the work instruction's been marked completed. And so now we've completed the instructions, we've set up all the job data, it's been downloaded to the grinding machine, so now we can go around to the front and kick off the cycle. So now you can see that all of the job data has been downloaded to the machine, and we're pretty much ready to go just by hitting cycle start. What we're doing now is we're just executing the tool grind process or geometry grind process on our machine. That tool will get marked completed. It'll get put back in the loader, but then we'll get a work instruction here saying we want to measure that tool to check and see if the geometries are in tolerance. And then we'll grab the tool and we'll take it over to the Zoller and do a measurement, again, guided through digital work instructions. Here you can see we've got a digital work instruction again, showing up, tool measurement request. So now it's asking me to grab the tool from pallet 111, tool index 1, and bring it to a Zoller and then scan the Zoller ID to get some measurement results. So we'll go around the back of the machine. Grab the tool. Again, so it's saying go over and scan the Zoller ID to do the measurement cycle. So we'll go over and do that. So we've just ground this tool. We want to see if the geometry is in tolerance. So load the tool. Clamp it. And then we're being asked to scan the Zoller ID, again introducing traceability. And then we come over here, execute our measurement cycle. Again, all information for the process downloaded and synchronized through barcodes, so no risk of the wrong measurement cycle being run, really helping guide your operators step by step through the way. I sort of like to think of the digital work instructions and worker guidance that we have implemented into Ames Connect as being sort of like step-by-step, turn-by-turn GPS directions for your operators. I think we all remember the days of using atlases to navigate, and I don't think there's many people that want to go back away from more data-driven solutions like some of the solutions on the market like Google Maps, where you're getting more and more data around traffic and being able to change what you want to do in real time based on situational changes in data. And that's pretty much the same thing that we're implementing here. So similar technology that people are used to in their digital lives, but here used to make manufacturing more efficient. Now we've gotten our measurement results from the Zoller. I just click here to submit, and then we keep going through our workflow. We then have now automatically gotten a work instruction telling us to bring the tool back to the machine. And then we can go around, bring this tool back to the machine. And then in the background, Ames server is automatically applying compensation to the grind process. And then the next tool should be in tolerance if any of those geometries were out of tolerance. And then that's how we're automating tool production step by step using technology, again, that we're all used to in our digital lives, like step-by-step instructions being the digital work instructions, as well as notifications that allow you to respond to real-time data on your factory floor. Thanks for coming by ANCA CNC Machines and checking out Ames Connect.